on YouTube. Joel here again. Sunny day, beautiful. Started off rather cool. Thought my day off was going to be cloudy, rainy. I killed it. Well, I didn't actually kill it. I'm trying to revive it. This is what it started life out as. Ugh, nasty. Just a bunch of gunk and junk in there. It was already dead, so like I said, I'm trying to revive it. This is an old Homelite. Homelite XL. But it died. It had a broken spring on the clutch. Wherever you are. So it wouldn't work, and the spring would get hot up every once in a while. So I tore it down. See if I can get it running again. I think I'll be able to. Another project, I know. Get off my back, please. But we got a plan for it. My son wants to hook it up to his bicycle. Okay. I've done that before in the past, but I didn't break the chainsaw down that far. And when I did it, I was stupid about it. Had no control over it, and those things were death trap. But apparently, there are people that are doing it a little bit smarter than I was when I was my son's age. So, with the advent of YouTube, I'm able to look things up and find out what people are doing to make these things a little bit safer. We'll see. I'm gonna have fun with it. Try to, anyways. It's a little 30-odd cc. Got a nice clean piston. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Get some light. Got a nice clean piston. Other than that spring being broke on the clutch assembly, I don't think there was anything really wrong with it. Except for it was dirty, nasty. So, I do know that one of my subscribers, Mackenzie, yeah, you know who you are, rides these things. If he's got any ideas, if you got any ideas, Mackenzie? Arbor N45, yeah. I could definitely use a little bit of insight and a little bit of feedback, a little bit of your expertise. Be nice. See if I can get this thing going. Play with it. My oldest boy wants to, since he can't drive, he's got some problems. He rides a bike every once in a while. This winter he hasn't been riding it, but might get him to ride it this summer. I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be cool. If this one works, I might do another one. We'll see how it goes. But the plan is, I got a whole bunch of plans. Got a fuel cylinder right here. Propane. I'm just going to have to figure out how to put a chain sprocket on there. I'm going to have to get an assembly to change this out. It's broken. First I got to get it running. As soon as I get it running, then I don't know. We'll find out. But another project. I'm going to let you know what happened with the chainsaw bar yesterday. Didn't work. Memphis is... Memphis is a blah town. The only thing we've got going for us is Beale Street, the blues. I like blues. Really like the blues. You can tell by my name. So I was trying to find either a ripping chain or a full chisel chain, and .063 gauge. No luck. I'm gonna have to order it off the internet. But I got to get that tip changed out first, so that's the next thing on my agenda. Get that tip changed out. At least one of the bars. So I can run it on the 1010. That'll be fun. I hope. Maybe. Again, another project. But I seem to be getting a few more of them accomplished nowadays. So, a lot of parts, a lot of dirt, a lot of grease. Dirty fingernails. Arr. Okay, I got a bunch of crap I need to clean up now. I don't need this carcass. Take a look. That's what I got. I don't know, can you see? Got everything spread out. Alien Autopsy. Chainsaw Edition. Alright guys, you know the drill. Give me the thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, somewhere in here. And leave comments. Always leave comments. I like your comments. I like the guys that I've got on here that always comment.